crafty friends. Happy Saturday once again. Hope you had a great week, and Whitney and I are excited to be with you today to say happy fall, y'all.
Woo! We made it!
I know, right?
Hopefully you're experiencing temperatures that are getting a little bit cooler.
Yes, but not too cool yet.
Yes, I'm not ready for the snow word.
Yeah.
I almost said it, snow.
The naughty word.
Woo!
Yes, so we are excited to be sharing with you our newest products that are entering our collection next week on Tuesday. 9 a.m. is our release, and we get to share the sneak peek with you today. You're going to have to tune in during our live on Tuesday, which is at 10 a.m. Central Time, to see samples. We're actually recording this a little bit earlier than we usually do because of that big event called Stamp Joy. And so we don't have samples to share with you today, but that's all the more reason to come join us on Tuesday.
And we're super fun.
We are super fun. So even though we don't have samples to share,
yes,
we'll have some fun
join
here today.
us. We'll have a good time.
All right. Well, let's take a look at the new products that are coming your way for our All About Autumn release. We're going to talk first about our promotion, and we have a special offer when you purchase $50 from our All About Autumn release. You're going to get our Sending Gratitude Kit.
Ooh.
So we did this during the summer, and it was very popular. I know a lot of you love to have a consumable item for your freebie. So when you purchase $50 or more from our All About Autumn release, you're going to get this adorable sticker sheet. And these are designed to be envelope seals, but you do you and use them wherever and however you want.
Yes. I love this pie that's on here.
I know. I love the pie. Wouldn't this be cute for Thanksgiving table place cards or something?
Yes.
So
That's probably how I would use it.
Use these as envelope seals, however you want to use them. We are also giving you the mini slim envelopes in fall colors. There are 6 of them in the package. So you're going to get pumpkin, sweet basil, and toffee, 2 of each. So 6 stickers, 6 envelopes, 6 cards that you can put in the mail. So purchases of $50 or more from the All About Autumn new release category, and you will get that in your order. So let's talk about our first product that we have for autumn. Look at this beautiful stamp set. And our release is called All About Autumn, but this set is called All Around Autumn, and I love it. I had fun with some new font work here. I will say I buy fonts like I buy shoes. Like, you can never have too many pairs of shoes, and you never outgrow them.
I mean,
once you get to a certain age, and so I feel like fonts are like that for me. I just keep buying more of them because I can keep using them forever. But these were new, and I thought very fun for fall. So
I love them. We all need a good sentiment.
Yes, thankful for you. Happy fall and autumn greetings, along with those fun leaves. And you can see they have a little bit of distressing in them. It might be hard to see on the panel, but there are little bits of flecks that are designed to be part of the stamp. And so when you stamp those on white or toffee, they're going to look almost like you splattered them, which I love that. It's like built-in splatter for your solid stamps.
That's fun.
This is a great stamp set as well for creating our Happy Half Sheets concept. So you're going to see some design team cards doing that, where you stamp all of these in different colors to create your own pattern paper and then cut that apart and make various cards with those cut pieces. So this will be a fun one. I can't wait to see what all the design team comes up with. And then we have the All Around Autumn coordinating dies. So everything to cut out those solid leaves and the 3 sentiments in the stamp set.
Need those too.
So that's All Around Autumn. Let's take a look at our next product. This one is called Harvest Hues, and you can see the layering stencil is designed to create these 4 pieces of artwork, which are actually designed to work with our Arch Nouveau, and I know one of your favorites,
It is my favorite. I know.
This is a great collection, so we have a lot of products designed to work with our Arch Nouveau dies. So it creates that arch shape, and this stencil artwork can be cut out with the same arch shape. So you have the Arch Nouveau, additional Arch Nouveau, ridged Arch Nouveau, And then if you want to get really fancy, it coordinates with our arch window panes and our arch interactive die.
So many options.
So lots of options that you might
it.
already have in your collection that will go with this Harvest Hues stencil. So you can see that really fun artwork that you get sunflowers, leaves, pumpkins, a little bit of everything, and comes in that set 6x6 stencil with 4 different pieces of artwork.
I would love to know, do you all have a specific imagery that you love for fall? Because for me, it is definitely pumpkins and sunflowers. When I see sunflowers, I think fall, tablescape. I just love these sunflowers. They're so beautiful.
So what says fall to you? You guys leave us a comment and let us know. What do you love to see in the fall? So I agree. I do love sunflowers. I love passing by fields of sunflowers here in the Midwest. That's a thing, and it always makes me smile. So, all right, this is Foilet Harvest Hues. So these 2 Foilet panels coordinate with the stencil and give you that extra shimmer. And while I don't have a finished card sample, I do have this blended panel, and you can see it is foiled. If you are really in tune with Tailored Expressions foils, then you might recognize this is a new foil we are excited to be introducing with this release. It's copper, and it has that beautiful copper kind of brown aged penny, I would call it. So beautiful new foil. I'll bring it out of the container.
This was much requested by customers because we did say, hey, you know, if there was a color of foil that you would enjoy receiving, what would it be? And we got several people who were like, copper, I would love that color. So
there it is. Ta-da. It's kind of like a coffee brown color. I mean, copper is a really good name for it, but I'm just trying to describe it a little bit more for you guys because it is just a beautiful foil color. All right, so that's Harvest Hues and the Foilet and a new foil color. And then to tie it all together for this small release, we have Sundry Sentiments Fall. So you can grab this sentiment set with Happy Thanksgiving, You Are a Blessing, Autumn Blessings, Give Thanks, Warm Wishes, Happy Autumn. In that font work that has been so popular, I think Sundry Sentiments, the original and the holiday, have been 2 of our most popular sentiment sets in the last year. So we hope you enjoy this fall version. And then, of course, you get dies to coordinate with it as well if you want to grab those separately. So there you have it.
Woo!
The All About Fall release coming to you Tuesday, 9 a.m. Central Time. You can get all of those products and, start to enjoy getting a little bit into that fall season. Get yourself kind of ready to rake some leaves.
Change of leaves and all the things that come with it, right?
Yes. All right, you guys, have a wonderful weekend. Hope to see you on Tuesday for the live at 10 a.m. Central. Bye.